Alright, so this is how we're going to do the AlphaTrace campaign. So let's go ahead and log in. We're going to log in with a MetaMask wallet. Click the wallet, and then I'm going to pick my burner wallet and connect it. Now we verify the message, and we're there. And then I will give you an invitation code to put in here, which will be this link right here. Or it's just this code. Just depends on which way you do it, but need to make sure that this was put in that first page where it said the invite code. Alright, now we'll put that away. And then we need to go ahead and do these things, and this is how it opens up more slots for referrals. So let's go ahead and change our username to whatever you want. So we have one there. Add a wallet to my list. Let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll just grab the wallet ID that we connected with and use that. And we'll just go wallet overview, and access would be private, and then just name it mine. It's fine. And then we're going to add the wallet here, and this will auto populate down here. Give it a second to do its thing, and then we hit add to add that wallet. And then once it's done loading, it should bring us back to that page right before. So there's our name, our wallet, and we want the wallet overview, and then make it private again and hit create. And that should give us the other option. Actually says to my list. What is that? To main list. Let's go back here. And add wallet to my list. Analyze wallet. Let's go ahead and do that. And we'll just analyze this wallet, save it. I think this is how we're supposed to do the other step. Which is the referral step. Yep, that's how you add the referral step, and then this one's done. So let's monitor the smart token, and then we'll do that. And now all of those are done. So now we have 8 points, and then once you guys start signing up, you'll have 7 slots there. And that is step 1 of this. The next step is to actually do the quest here as well, and I'll give you that. So what we want to do is hit connect, hit MetaMask, and we want to make sure to connect the correct wallet. This is not the correct wallet, so we're going to hit reject. And let's go ahead and connect our burner wallet and refresh the page. Now let's connect MetaMask, and that's the correct wallet, so hit sign. And then we're going to follow these on Twitter. So then we just follow them and verify, like a post, like it. You can even repost it if you want. It's all good. Verify. Join the Telegram. And then you would hit confirm and accept. Verify. While that one's going, let's go ahead and post on X. And we'll just hit post, because I don't care to do all that. Let's hit verify. Give us the 30 there. I wonder why the Telegram's not working. Let's go ahead and hit join again, just because. The Telegram one, you don't have to do that one. It's kind of annoying, actually. I don't know why Telegram acts so dumb, but anyways. So see how I've had to take that for a minute, and then let's do verify, and then I have it, and then we hit claim. You've successfully claimed it all, and that's it. We got all the points here, and we got this over here, and that should be it for there, and that's it. Any questions, let me know. Look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.